Jesus. Ooh, excusez-moi. Slur. Slur. Ooh. Slay. Yes. Slay. To the future. God. I thought. Ooh, slay. Thanks, y'all. God, see, I told you.
Billie Eilish back. I'm eating a Verbo. Nice. Verbo. You miss me? Make sure you guys go ahead and hit. Verbo. Alrighty. Oh, don't. Let's dance. Amber, thanks so much for the game control. I'm trying to find this silly. Burbum. Burbum. Treat from Milky. And then tonight.
Wow.
They thought. Bug, thank you for the follow. Oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Very nice. Burbo. Burbum. Get her done. Alrighty, so I need, and I did miss you guys. And Monday. Burbum. Doughboy, do you want to be putting Rage Scream? Burbum. Manny and alrighty, so Burbum.
Wow.
Hold on, that one wasn't good. Burbum. Burbum. Because we had a little bit of issue. Did you guys hit the like goal? You did? Okay, awesome. Give me just. Oh, goodness. A second. Nervous. It's code. Happy. Burbum. I already. Burbum. Your favorite. You guys are almost at the. Plastic cheese is out. Burbum. Thank you. Tater, thank you so much for the follow. It is a super bad glitch. It's. Burbum. Stream title for today. Yeah.
See drop pops. So I cannot reach my nose with my tongue.
Yeah.
But so he comes around And let's flatten this a little. Dang. Did I say Tim? Oh, John, man. Sorry, you're eating. Ooh, wait. Excuse me. Dude, my turtle is going ham today. Get chicken strips.
Bob Ross. I was drawing a blank for his last name. Ross. Meg could do a little Bob Ross.
But I could also...
Yeah. And we get salads, too.
We have a little salad on the side and everything.
Yeah, we could, like, really be chow.
Like, every time we go to McDonald's, we both have a tummy ache the next day, and we say, we're never going there again. Like, we don't want to eat those, you know?
We recently got a Jersey Mike's, but they're expensive.
But, yeah, I don't want to... Maybe we need to get some clams.
I like the meat, though, on a kebab.
You know, have a little meat kebab?
And I have a meat kebab. I'm not trying to eat fast food.
It's okay with, like, fries,
I think it's really good.
but... Oh, wow. Yeah, I could go for some clams.
How old do you have to be vice president? Does anybody know? Can someone Google that? How old do you have to be vice president?
And then I put the popsicle in the Sunny D. And I was like, if you did this and blended it and
Cobbler and a crumble, and it has like a cream cheese kind of. Yes. That wasn't Sonic. Absolutely, second
gel.
place, in my opinion, is the skillet one. I think that they did.
back on the sugar. Like, it looks like you might be...
It might look like that.
Oh, it had nothing to do with how much money she's making.
Oh, okay.
It was nothing to do with... as me and whatever.
And will she put the names that they're going under?
I don't know. I don't remember all the details to that stuff. But anyways, she posted the other day that someone... She posted like the other day and was like, oh, someone...
Coffee in the supermarket in a while. Do you guys remember when McDonald's had their coffee in the coffee aisle in the supermarket? Yeah, it's going down to like 60 at night. And it was like a high of 67 or 68 today.
in the neighborhood.
I guess a lot of kids are like going back to school next week. Like down south. Is anybody here from down south?
In Rockstare, they're like, that lady, I'm slowly not looking as like 16.
You get peekins and sneakins. Just happening. That's happening too.
I didn't say verb on command. Like this.
What? Tell them.
That's
No, wait
how.
a minute. For $10,000, she'll.
That just loved me so much. Thanks so much for showing all the love and support. There's still some left.
We are going to be in so much trouble now because she got the double thing.
I did?
Taco Bell, you should be ashamed of yourself. That's what we should say.
That should be the new bell sound.
I'm hungry.
On the strip, I mean. Wait. Excuse me. Excuse me. No, I'm not Canadian. Excuse me. Excuse me. Warriors, Lakers. Wait, I actually need to now. Listen.
Wait, there's another.
Yeah.
I'm a pretty bitch. Yeah. Because my aura is that. My confidence is that. My self-esteem is that.